already quite sweet. Now I need to add more sugar to it. Maybe cream cheese. What mascarpone? I don't think I should have added the coconut. Yeah, that's no good. Look how wet this is. Tastes better with the butter. Hey, Captain Sexy. Okay, a can of coconut cream and 2 cups of heavy cream. Okay, but it's not dairy free though, that's the only thing. That's a good idea. All right, I've got mascarpone or regular cream cheese. Use mascarpone. I have this because I'm meant to be making tiramisu. Oh no, it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be. But I was just Roselli's version was dairy free. That's not the reason I said. But not at all. It's a good idea. I like it. Okay, that. Like that. Mascarpone to me is more like a double cream. I'll pop this in the fridge and it should set up quite a bit. Hopefully. I'm having a big cup of milk. All right, I'm hoping that putting that in the fridge should solidify. Because it is delicious. And that with that mango, oh, yum. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do this. If I had, let's just taste this. So these are syrups. Imagine you've got a spoon and this, you add some of the frosting, like that. Crap. Hold on. And then a bit of this tequila lime syrup on top. How would that taste? Whoa. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. And now the gin and tonic syrup with this buttercream. Good. Not as good, but good. I like it. You would never put ice cubes in milk? Why? It keeps your milk cold. I think it's good. I think it's really good. Why? Because it keeps your ice cold. When you're eating cookies. I don't often do it. I don't often do it, but sometimes I feel like a cold glass of milk. If I'm dunking the cookies in there. All right, I'm gonna put this in the freezer actually. And mango. Cakes are looking all right, they're puffing. Nice, nice, nice. They're cooking really slowly for some reason.